Hello friends, this is your friend Kiran and I know it's really a very difficult time. Is it so? No, not at all. Because when we saw Japan is really a very good inspiration or example for us, like two nuclear bombs. After that, Second World War, its economy has drastically destroyed, and then you can say earthquakes and natural disasters are coming day wise. So it's really very hard for such a country to grow, but it's grows greatly. You can say it's grow drastically, so big, so giant it becomes. Its economy has grown such a way. How it's all gonna happen? It's just by one thing, which is simple Kaizen technique. So today I'm telling you about the Kaizen technique. It's not that hard one like we thought. Whenever we want to be grow in our lives, whenever we want to just be successful like others, what we think in our mind, like I have to do a lot of work, I have to do really very hard, but it's not that hard. We thought that if I want to be successful, I have great ideas, I have to work really very hard, and I have a lot of investment, something like that. We thought a lot about it, and like that means we are just thinking about the negative things but not the positive ones. But Kaizen says just one thing, like you saw the Toyota company. It's such a giant company, and how it becomes such a giant one, because they don't think about too much about how they are gonna improve in themselves or how they can improve, and how many like other investors they have to hire. They just simply believe in Kaizen technique, and whole Japan is based on Kaizen technique only. And what Kaizen technique said, you have to take a baby little steps. Only these baby little steps will help you a lot, like a lot. We thought like we have to do a lot of hard work, but in Kaizen you just have to do what, like whatever you want to do, you just have to start up. Doesn't matter it's very big or small, you just have to start up. In our mind we thought if we want such a great achievement, really big result, we have to do really very big. But in Kaizen said, if you want really very big result, you just have to do a really very simple steps, and you just have to do it right now. That says Kaizen effects. Kaizen means simply little change, a small change, but it should be start right now. So it was really a very good technique, like everyone is following in Japan, and we should also have to like use it this big, so that we also make our country proud on ourselves. So what we need to do, like meditation is very tough thing for me. I'm not that person who can meditate for a single second, but whenever I'm taking I just take a simple little baby steps. What I did, whenever I take a breath, I just think, yes, I am aware that I am taking in breath, and whenever it comes out, I just like, yes, I am aware, just I am out all my stress, my problems, my difficulties. And whenever I'm take in my breath, I'm just taking all the positivities, opportunities, everything. And these kind of little steps will help you a lot to grow in your life. You don't need to do such a big things. The simple steps will help you to grow in your life.